afternoon, everybody. Just before you leave, I've got a couple of boys representing this one, 13th game. I've got Ben here representing Mr. Soccer Academy, and Cash representing the new academy this term, C4. Starting off with you, Ben, tell us a few words how the game goes today.
Unfortunately, we lost. They were the better side today, and we scored 1-2.
We can't win every single game, but it's good you scored a couple of goals, 6 in all. Cash, over to you, buddy. New to the league this term. Tell us how's the team been going over the last couple of weeks.
Yeah, the team's been going good. We played pretty good and they scored 4-2 and yeah, happy with that.
So you guys scored 4 goals, you hit back in that 4 times. Pick the best goal, tell us a little bit about it.
Not yourself. There was no one else.
Probably
If you scored, you can say your goal.
yeah, it was my goal. Yeah, it was the volley.
And which you beat the keeper, side corner, and straight past him. Did he get a hands to it?
Yeah, bottom.
The ball in the back of the net. Now, Benny, over you, mate. So he scored 2 goals. Pick the best one. Tell us a little bit how it went in after the team built up to it.
Well, Aaron scored it was kind of Noah's goal. He just went, I don't know who passed it to, but someone passed it to him, and Noah just took it and shot from that side of the box and scored, and he was going right.
Sounds like a scream of all time west. Look, we'll sort the game from up here. A little bit windy down there, so keeping the ball around a little bit tough. I would look forward to having you guys back next week. Just quickly before we go, where do you see the improvement, guys, for the boys next week? Just pick one area, and what do you think the boys can improve?
Maybe running with the ball, also shooting, finishing off chances.
Well said. And Cash, what about you? Where can your team improve, Joe?
Running defensives, get back a bit quicker, and then
Alrighty, boys, well, that'll do us for today here. We look forward to seeing you guys back next week, seeing if those areas have been improved. Guys, good luck and have a good week.